dear bros also, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday bros also. Take care always and God bless. So, sana nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. I know isa kang mabuting kaibigan, isa kang mabuting tao. Then, God bless you more and more and more. Tapos, sana hindi ka magbago. Salamat, maraming salamat kasi isa kang tunay na kaibigan kahit hindi tayo magkakilala ng sobra. Masasabi kong isa kang mabuting tao, isa kang mabuting kaibigan. Sana hindi ka magbago and please, sana suportahan mo pa rin ako kahit magkalayo tayo. Or I mean, sa career ko or what. Yun. Maraming salamat. Then, hopefully makita na kita pag-uwi ko sa Pilipinas ulit. Thank you so much. Then, yun. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.